how this goes. First swing with the new axe. It's gonna go good because I'm gonna edit it out if it's bad, so you'll never know. Yes, I want Chick-fil-A. Yes, I want Chick-fil-A. Yes, I want. Alright, here we go. I said earlier that my camp pants weren't done, but then he called me back. They weren't done at 10, but then he got them done. So they are done. They're done right now. Still in my wife's car. She wouldn't come out and get them. She went out and got them. Oh, here they are. Here they are. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that. What is this? I don't want that. Look at that. Freshly tailored camp pants right here. So we're talking about great things. Look at that. Whew. Whew. What a beauty. Alright, so I'm out doing some more wood shopping today. Man, what is that place? I have a friend who has some...
In 1 mile, turn left onto Paul Thompson Road.
Who has some wood at his house. Still down from Hurricane Michael. So it will be nice and seasoned. Hopefully I'll get some good wood here. Just to take back to the house and split, so I'll have it for future camp trips. And I get to run the chainsaw. Cut up a bunch of stuff yesterday, split some stuff, but it's smaller stuff. It's just a cherry tree, it's smaller stuff. But that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing today. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a little chainsaw wood. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. Wood shopping. Chainsaw extravaganza. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but it's going to be good, so stay tuned. Just got a mother load of firewood from a good friend of mine. Sawed that stuff up, put it in the back. Headed back to Tallahassee to unload this. And I might start splitting some wood. Alright, now I'm out here splitting some wood. I got a nice little base there for putting my logs on. I didn't have that before because I didn't have any big trees when I was going in the dirt, but I've got it now. Watch this. Pretty good. That one had a knot in it. The other ones were easier. That one had a knot in it. Yeah, so I got a chainsaw video I'm gonna edit today, so I'll chop some of that up another day. Stay tuned.